Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Pakistan Montessori International. Mathematics file practical number 4 cards and counters. For this particular presentation, we need one set of numeral cards 1 to 10. A set of numeral cards 1 to 10 and a box of 55 counters. That could be red, green, in button shape, or you can create by your own with the help of card paper sheet or any material. The counters are the object that are used to count. What is the objective of this particular exercise? It provides further practice of counting and associating the correct number of object with the numeral. See if the child can place the numeral in correct order. Introduce child to the idea of odd and even number. Indirect preparation of this ability or ability of numerals. Now you can see this divisibility of numerals or the numbers can be found in a same cards and counter exercise. Here we're gonna check again the periods, the lesson time and observation must be there. Presentation. Directress places the cards according on the table or on the mat and given the box of counters to the child. The cards on the mat, either on floor or table, and counters to the child. The directress invite the child to find one. See then, she takes and asks what numbers comes after 1, and one by one the child counts the number and place the counter in front or down the number. If the numbers are placing in a row, the counters should be downwards. If the cards are placing up to down in a line, the cards should be at the left hand side. Keep in mind, a directress must sit on the dominating side of child. A child is right-handed or a left. Keep in mind. Number by number, counter by counter, the child is having the numeric sequence. 8 will have 8 counters. After each number, the counting sequence is there. The combination of counter is there. That is formally creating the even odd concept. Equality of counter. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here you goes. This exercise can be given 1 to 5 and secondly 1 to 10. It is not necessary to provide whole at a time. It can be provided till the time the child is learning and remembering 1 to 5 number. So again, card and counter providing the further counting practice and the concept of even and odd numbers. After seeing the counters position 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. The child founds counter in equal proportion and line. Equal proportion. All the counters are in equal proportion. And other hand, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. those numbers are having unequal or uneven counter position. That creates the odd position of the number. Cut and counter is a particular exercise of counting number sequence, even and odd concept. Thank you so much.